In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Quillbot from Word. Quick guide. If Quillbot keeps popping up in your documents, or you simply don't need it anymore, I'll show you the quickest way to turn it off using Word on the web. We'll go step by step, and I'll explain what you're seeing, so nothing feels confusing. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. This is just a fast way to get to Microsoft Word without needing to remember a specific address. In the search bar, type Microsoft Word and press Enter. In the results, look for the official Microsoft Word site. It should be the link that takes you to Word Online, where you can work right in your browser. Click that. Once the Word homepage loads, choose Create Blank Document. This opens a fresh document so we can access the toolbar and any active add-ins. Give it a second to load fully so all the ribbon buttons appear. Now, look along the ribbon or the right side panel for the Quillbot icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button with the Quillbot logo or name. Click the Quillbot icon to open its panel. If Quillbot is currently active, you'll see its tools and a simple on and off control. Use the on-off toggler to disable it. This quick switch is the fastest way to stop Quillbot from running in your document right now. If the toggle is off, Quillbot won't suggest changes or open automatically while you're working. Next, open the Quillbot settings from that same panel. This is important because the settings often include a master control for whether the add-in is enabled at all. In Settings, find the option labeled Enable Quillbot. Click the toggler there to turn it off. This reduces the chance that it reactivates the next time you open Word online or a new file. When the switch is off, you've effectively removed Quillbot's functionality from your current Word experience. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the Quillbot icon at first, try expanding the ribbon or checking the add-ins section in the toolbar. And if you're using the desktop app for Word rather than Word on the web, the process to manage or remove add-ins is handled in the app's add-ins settings, which is slightly different. Here in the browser, though, the toggles you just used are the simplest way to turn Quillbot off and keep it out of your way. That's it. You've successfully disabled Quillbot in Word Online by opening a document, launching the Quillbot panel, flipping the on-off toggle, and confirming it's off in settings.